I am Sanan. Welcome to CubedAI. In this video, we will walk through how to deploy an AI model with just a few clicks. To begin, I have opened the Deploy Model screen. First, click Deploy Model button. This opens up a form that asks necessary deployment details. Let's start by giving a name to our model. Next, choose the framework your model is trained on. In my case, it is a TensorFlow. Your model files need to be compressed in a tar.js format and name it as model. If your model is trained in a TensorFlow, your model files is needed to be saved in a folder named 1. Now let's upload our model file. Next, I need to choose a region and type for my instance. I choose Euro Frankfurt server and choose the basic CPU instance and click Deploy Model. Click OK. You can monitor the model deployment status in here. When the status is in service, it means that your models are ready to receive requests. After waiting a couple of minutes, now that our model is in service, it is time to create a workspace. Click Add Workspace and give name. It will open up your new workspace, and you will find API endpoint and a secret key for making requests. Choose Deployed Model from drop-down model, name model list, and click Submit. Congratulations, you are ready to run predictions for your deployed model. You can simply switch from one model to another model in the production environment by choosing from the drop-down menu. When you access your workspace, you will also find logs belong to your model. Thank you for watching.